I did it. I don't know where that came from. Anyways, what's going on, guys? Give me a second. I'm back here giving another video, and today we're going to be playing some more Hill Climb Racing 2. Yes, I did my last video yesterday. It already has 20 views. It's going amazing. I mean, like, holy golly. This is my best video so far. Besides my very first video. Check that video out. The title is just called Welcome to My Channel. That's legit it. Really good video. Well, not really. It has like 30 some videos, and it was made like 6 months ago, so it's trash, to be honest. Yeah, you already know I'm at a win these races. Man, back off. You already know sports car too much for y'all. Y'all just can't handle the sports car. They just can't handle it. They just can't handle the sports. They can't. It's too much for them. Too easy. Too easy. The lag was real though. Did you see that? Holy crap. Man, y'all start might be a little better, but guess what? Y'all just ain't faster. Y'all just ain't faster. Man, this dude's sports car slow as heck. Man, I don't know who you trying to think you about to pass. Nah, fam. His downforce is good though. You can just tell. Ah, suck it. I took the risk. I'm about to die. Yep, always right there. Always right there. Okay, so now we're gonna go. Yoit. He stands no chance. Uh, uh. Leave, Bell! I'm just. Nothing happened. Nothing happened for real. I'm just playing. I said that for no reason. Let's go ahead and get back into the next. Let's go ahead and get back into the next one. Vroom. Vroom. Don't even hit that water. Oh, I skimmed it with the skin of my tires. Okay. Over this, please. Yeah, he's gonna beat me. I'm gonna lose. Oh, I'm totally gonna lose this one. Yeah, well, I just broke my neck. Xmas Cup. We better watch this. I'll be back. I'll be back when I'm done watching. And we're back. And what I got was 3,000 gold and some new legs. Carry. So interesting. It's not interesting. Monster truck time. Monster truck's the beast. Just you can't. It's just through everything. That's what it's best at. It's best through through everything. Like these super jeeps, I probably have like 15 and 16 stuff. This has like 9 on everything and still just devours everything. Like it's golly. Wow. It's that crazy. Chill out now. I said chill out. Oh my gosh. I told you to chill out, but you didn't want to listen. So look what I had to do. Look what I had to do to you guys. I swear, if you it beats me, no chance. You suck. These people suck. Didn't even get the perfect start and still ahead of them. Oh, come on, go. Get over that, please. Slow down, slow down, slow down. It's not going to go over that. Told you. Over that, please. On to the next one. Underneath this one. Perfect. That's my personal best. With the monster truck. With the Monster T. With the Monster T, I came at you like a fire, yeah. And next thing you know, I was on my way to eat the pea. But all I ever said was all they ever came. And every time I looked at you, I was like, you already know how the Santa Claus chests be. They be lit with 3,500, 6,000, and a yes, 7,000. Oh, the offer's away. Oh well, screw the offer. No one even liked the offer anyways. It was really gay. I'm just playing. I gotta go ahead and set a high, high record. Ooh, ooh. I need more grip for sure to even get up with this. Next is engine and then more grip. And then like gearbox and, so on. That's really gonna help me though with this. I need more downforce too. More downforce is amazing. Yeah, no one's gonna be able to beat this time. You wait. My best is 21. You gotta be joking. I need a new best here. I can do it. I can do it. Watch this. On that hill, you floor it at about 190 or so. You see the little meters thing down there? That's what I'm talking about, 190. That's why I got 190 from, in case you don't know what I'm talking about. Right here. Oh, this would be like 2 something, my bad. 21944. I could do better. I could do better. It's like 2 something, my bad. It ain't no 199. I'm stupid. 2 something. 2 something, okay? Okay, 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 okay. Right there. Hold it, floored. Yes. I had a new record for sure right here. Told you. I could do better though. I messed up. At the end of the last hill, keep it floored. Alright? I'm gonna lay down so the face cams will be a little weird. Face cam's a little weird, but it's okay. Here, keep it floored. Floor it, floor it, floor it. Over this hill, let's go. I could have landed way better, but it's okay. Keep it floored, keep it floored. Keep it floored, keep it floored, keep it floored. Okay. Oh my gosh, still not my best. How is this possible? Alright, keep it floored there. I think this is my new best. No. Oh God, no. All right, so right there, I'm not gonna see this one again. All right, so right here, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Nope. Golly, this is so hard. Right here, keep it forward. And go. Steady, go. No, 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 chill out. God, I messed up again. 20, 21. Oh, new best. But I could have been in 20s easily. I'm getting it here. I just know I am. For sure. For shizzles. 19, 20. Oh my God, that was pathetic. This is so hard. Bruh. I'm gonna send the stick with what I have. 21.001, which is ridiculous. One time. One more time real quick. One more time real quick. Race. Race. What gayness do we have here? No one cares about them gay legs. Can the monster truck do it? Probably not. I swear if the monster truck gets the high score though, that'd be ridiculous. It's definitely not happening. I'm gonna get like 24. Almost 26. Ugh. Well, 13 minutes. I have to end it in like 16 minutes, but we're gonna go ahead and do the Sunday champ right here. My bad, he'll come coat. Oh wow, what the deuce is happening? Man, get on somewhere. Dear Lord, that did not just almost happen. Oh my. See, too easy. Is monster truck better than sports car? Hmm. Is it? Hard to say. Leave a comment. If they're both maxed out, freaking sports car has maxed out engine, tires, gearbox, and downforce. But my truck has maxed out turbo, suspension, engine, and what else? Yeah, if it has maxed out. If all this is maxed out, engine, grip, gearbox, and downforce on sports car, it's all fully maxed out. Is it faster than this if it has all maxed out engine, turbo, grip suspension? Leave a comment. I don't know. We're gonna get them both maxed out eventually though, so yeah, that's gonna be cool. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there. Make sure to comment, subscribe, share with family and friends. That's all I have to say for the day. Peace.